What is marketing? 1. You see a gorgeous girl at a party. You go up to her and say, "I am very rich. Marry me." That's direct marketing. 2. You're at a party with friends and see a gorgeous girl. One of your friends goes up to her and pointing at you says, "He's very rich, marry him." That's advertising. 3. You go up to her and get her telephone number. Next day, you call and say, "Hi, I'm very rich. Marry me." That's telemarketing. 4. You get up and straighten your tie, you walk up to her and pour her a drink. You open the car door for her, pick up her bag after she drops it, offer her ID and then say, "By the way, I'm rich. Will you marry me?" That's public relations. 5. She walks up to you and says, "You are very rich. Can you marry me?" That's brand recognition. 6. You go up to her and say, "I am very rich, marry me." She gives you a slap on your face. That's customer feedback. 7. You go up to her and say, "I am very rich. Marry me." And she introduces you to her husband. That's demand and supply gap. 8. You go up to her and before you say anything, another person come and tell her, "I'm rich. Will you marry me?" And she goes with him. That's competition eating into your market share. 9. You go up to her and before you say, "I'm rich, marry me," your wife arrives. That's restriction for entering new markets. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video. Please subscribe to my channel.